Now that you've learned how to create and personalize your Vcard, let's take it a step further and build your WhatsApp store. A smart way to showcase your products and services directly through WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp Stores in your left sidebar, then select Create New Store. Here you'll find all the sections similar to the Vcard setup, but focused on your business sales under Basic Details. Start by entering your store unique alias, store name, and your WhatsApp number. This is where your customers will message you directly for orders. You can also upload your cover profile and logo to make your store look professional and branded. Then scroll to set your business hours so customers know when you're available, and choose your default language. Next, you'll find options like Display Download QR icon. You can organize your products into categories, upload individual products with photos, descriptions, and prices, and even track product orders right here inside your dashboard. Just like your Vcard, you can also edit templates, fonts, add SEO keywords, and use the advanced settings for full customization. Once you've saved your store, your QR code is automatically generated. You can print or share it instantly, making it easy for people to visit your WhatsApp store with a single scan. Your WhatsApp store is now ready. Simple, direct, and fully with your Vcardvault account.